Hi guys, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Friends who like to eat mushrooms. Today we are going to make mushroom braised chicken thighs suitable for the whole family. We choose chicken thighs because the meat is tender and delicious. It is simple, nutritious, and delicious to make. I share simple recipes every day. If you also like cooking, you may want to follow my channel so that you will not miss new recipes every day. Otherwise, you may not be able to find me if you swipe away. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are button mushrooms, drumsticks, ginger, onion, and carrot. Sliced onion, sliced carrot. Button mushroom, wash and set aside. Cubes chicken. One TSP soy sauce, 1 TSP pepper powder, 1 TSP ginger powder. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add onion slices. Add chicken cubes. One TSP salt, 1 TSP sugar. One dark soy sauce to add color. Add carrot slices. Add button mushroom. Add water and simmer until cooked. Optional to add dark soy sauce to add color. Braised button mushroom and chicken is done. Button mushrooms are also a good source of the minerals selenium, copper, and potassium. Button mushrooms are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation. Additionally, they may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. Chicken contains vitamin C, E, etc., a high proportion of protein, many types, and high digestibility. It is easily absorbed and utilized by the human body. It has the effect of enhancing physical strength and strengthening the body. It also contains phospholipids that play an important role in human growth and development. It is one of the important sources of fat and phospholipids in the dietary structure. I share new simple recipes every day. If you like simple cooking and happy eating like me, then you have come to the right channel. Follow me now. Otherwise, you may not find me if you accidentally delete it after accumulating 365 recipes a year. You can cook every dish differently in a year. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.